Good morning to everyone. The title of this session is Problems on Inverse Laplace Transforms. Evaluation of L inverse of f of s by s, L inverse of f power n of s. So, here if L of f of t equal to f of s, then L of integration 0 to t f of t dt equal to f of s by s. L inverse of f of s by s equal to integration 0 to t f of t dt equal to integration 0 to t L inverse of f of s, because f of t means L inverse of f of s only. So, L inverse of f of s by s equal to integration 0 to t L inverse of f of s dt. So, next formula, L of t power n into f of t equal to minus 1 power n into nth derivative of f of s. Now, L inverse of nth derivative of f of s equal to minus 1 power n into t power n into L inverse of f of s, or L inverse of f of s equal to minus power n by t power n into L inverse of nth derivative of f of s. Here I am going to find out L inverses of these functions by using formula L inverse of f of s by s equal to integration 0 to t L inverse of f of s dt. First one, L inverse of a square by s into s plus a whole square. I am taking f of s as 1 by s plus a whole square. That means I am leaving this s. So, f of t equal to L inverse of f of s. Substitute f of s value. Here plus a is there, that's why e power minus at. L inverse of 1 by s square. That means n equal to 1. So, L inverse of 1 by s square is t power 1 by 1 factorial. Now, L inverse of f of s by s equal to integration 0 to t f of t dt. So, f of s means 1 by s plus a whole square, by s means this s, a square is constant. That means this is the given function. A square put outside, L inverse of this is your f of s by s equal to integration a square into integration 0 to t into e power minus at dt. Now I am going to apply Bernoulli's for this integration. So, first function as it is, integration of second one is e power minus at by minus a, alternative plus and minus sign. That's why this term containing plus sign, this next term containing minus sign. The differentiation of t is 1. Here e power minus at integration is e power minus at by minus a. That's why minus a into minus a is a square. So, a square as it is. Here I am writing minus t into e power minus at by a minus e power minus at by a square. Again multiplying a square into the terms inside the bracket. Then minus also common, take minus common. So, a into t into e power minus t is the simplification of this term. A square and a square get cancelled. I am taking minus sign common, that's why plus into e power minus at. Now, I am going to substitute upper limit, that means as it is, minus lower limit means 0 into anything is 0. This is plus 1. So, 0 plus 1 is 1. That's why I am getting 1 here. Multiply the terms inside the bracket with minus sign. Then this is the L inverse of given function. Next one, L inverse of 1 by s into s square plus 4. F of s equal to 1 by s square plus 4. F of t equal to L inverse of f of s, that is L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4. This is equal to sin 2t by 2. Now, this is the formula L inverse of f of s by s equal to integration 0 to t f of t dt. This is f of s divided by s means the given function only. That's why L inverse of 1 by s into s square plus 4. Integration of this one is, I am writing here 1 by 2 constant, put aside, sin 2t integration is minus cos 2t by 2. That's why I am going to get minus cos 2t by 4. Now substitute upper limit minus lower limit. Minus 1 by 4 constant, put outside. Cos 2t means again I am going to substitute t in the place of t itself, t only. That's why cos 2t only minus cos 0. Cos 0 is 1. So multiply the terms which are inside the bracket with minus sign. Then I am going to get 1 minus cos 2t. So this is the L inverse of given function. Next one, L inverse of e power minus 2s by s into s square minus 1. I am taking f of s as 1 by s square minus 1. F of t is the L inverse of f of s. Substitute f of s value, find out L inverse, that is sin ht. So this is the formula, L inverse of f of s by s equal to integration 0 to t f of t dt. So f of t we know that is sin ht. Substitute integration of sin ht is cos ht. Now substitute upper limit, that is t itself. That's why we are going to get cos ht only, minus cos h0 is 1. So next, L inverse of e power minus 2s by s into s square minus 1, which is equal to, by using Heaviside shift theorem, the value of this function is cos h of t minus 2 minus 1 into u of t minus 2. Next one, L inverse of 5s minus 2 by s square into s plus 2 into s minus 1. Here I am taking only 5s minus 2 by s into s plus 2 into s minus 1. By using partial fractions, I am going to find a value as 1, b value as minus 2, c value as 1. Substitute those values. So L inverse of 1 by s is 1. L inverse of 2 constant put aside. L inverse of 1 by s plus 2 is, here plus 2 is there, that's why e power minus 2t. Here minus 1 is there, that's why e power t. So L inverse of f of s by s, this one. F of s by s means this by s. Then s into s is s square. So integration 0 to t, 1 plus 2 into e power minus 2t plus e power t. So t integration is, 1 integration is t, plus 2 as t is, e power minus 2t integration is e power minus 2t by minus 2 plus e power t as t is. First of all, I am going to substitute t, 2 to get cancelled, then I am going to get this step. Again I am going to substitute 0, that is 0 minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 plus 1 get cancelled, then the final answer is this one. That means L inverse of given function is t minus e power minus 2t plus e power t. Next set of questions. Here also I am going to find Laplace, inverse Laplace transform. So first question, L inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square. We know that L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square as sin at by a. So L inverse of minus d by ds of 1 by s square plus a square is equal to t into 1 by a sin of at, by using the formulas which I already discussed at the starting. So minus as it is. Now I am going to differentiate this term. So minus 1 by s square plus a square whole square, by using the formula d by dx of 1 by x power n is minus n by x power n plus 1. Here s square plus a square differentiation is 2s. So rearranging these terms, we are going to get 2s by s square plus a square whole square. So again take this 2 outside and send that to RHS side. Multiplication becomes division. So this is the answer for the given inverse Laplace transform of given function. L inverse of s plus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2 whole square. So observe, I am taking only without square. That means s plus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2. L inverse of this 2 can be written as 1 plus 1, 1 outside, 1 inside. The 1 inside means s square plus 2s plus 1, that is s plus 1 whole square. So here plus 1 is there, that's why e power minus t, L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. So this is L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1 is sin t. So we know that L inverse of once you observe, here I am taking only 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2. So 1 as it is, the denominator I already explained. Here plus 1 is there, that's why e power minus t, 1 by s square plus 1. This is sin t. So I know the value of L inverse of 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2 as e power minus t into sin t. Now I am going to differentiating L inverse of minus d by ds. Whenever I am putting here d by ds, here I am putting t. You can observe. So minus as it is, again the same formula, minus 1 by s square plus 2s plus 2 whole square. The differentiation of s square plus 2s plus 2 is 2s plus 2. So take minus into minus is plus, 2 common. So s plus 1, s square plus 2s plus 2 whole square equal to t into e power minus t sin t. Take this 2 outside and send that to RHS side. Then this is the answer for L inverse of given function. Next question, L inverse of s plus 2 into e power 4s by s square plus 4s plus 13 whole square. Let L inverse equal L inverse of 1 by s square plus 4s plus 13. So L inverse of this can be written as, here 4s is there, that's why I am splitting 13 as 4 plus 9. 9 I am keeping here, and s square plus 4s plus 4 means s plus 2 whole square. Here plus 2 is there, that's why I am writing e power minus 2t, L inverse of 1 by s square plus 3 square. So this is equal to sin 3t by t. Again I am writing L inverse of minus d by ds. Observe, here t is there, 1 by s square plus 4s plus 13. This term into t. Whenever I am going to write minus d by ds, you must observe t into e power minus 2t into sin 3t by 3. Now differentiate this term and simplify. Take minus plus 2 common and send this 2 into RHS side. Already we have 3. 3 2s are 6. Next, L inverse of s plus 2 into e power 4s by s square plus 4s plus 13 whole square. Here plus 4 is there, that's why answer is t plus 4 e power minus 2 into t plus 4 sin of 3 times of t plus 4 by 6 u of t plus 4. This is by using Heaviside shifting theorem. Next set of questions. Now I am going to find out L inverse of log of s plus a by s plus b. F of s equal to log of s plus a by s plus b, which is equal to log a minus log b. F dash of s equal to 1 by s plus a minus 1 by s plus b. Apply L inverse both sides. Here plus a is there, that's why minus a. Here plus b is there, that's why minus b. So again L inverse of f of s equal to minus 1 by t into L inverse of f dash of s. This is the formula. We know that L inverse of f dash of s value, substitute, then you are going to get this step. L inverse of f of s means f of t only. So e power minus at minus multiply minus sign with the terms which are inside the bracket, then we are going to get e power minus bt minus e power at by t. So f of t means L inverse of this one, log L f of s. L inverse of f of s means f of s is log of s plus a by s plus b. This is the answer for the given function inverse Laplace transform. So L inverse of log of s square plus 1 by s into s plus 1. Take this as f of s by using the formula log a by b. Write down log a minus log b. Afterwards log ab equal to log a plus log b. By on simplification we are going to get this expression. F dash of s equal to log differentiation is 1 by s square plus 1. S square plus 1 differentiation is 2s. Log s differentiation is 1 by s. Log of s plus 1 differentiation is 1 by s plus 1. Take L inverse on both sides. Here observe 2 outside. The remaining L inverse value is cos t. L inverse of 1 by s is 1. L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 is e power minus t. This is the formula. Here we know the value of L inverse of f dash of s. Substitute. Then this is the value of inverse Laplace transform of given function. So L inverse of s into log of s plus 4 by s minus 4. Take f of s as s into log of s plus 4 by s minus 4. Here log a by b, that means log a minus log b. Find out f dash of s, that is s. Here uv formula, that is first function into differentiation of second one plus second function into differentiation of second one, first one, that is s differentiation is 1. This is the differentiation of this f of s. Again one more time differentiation. So we are going to get this step. Now L inverse of f double dash of s means L inverse of this. So write down L inverse for each term. Here 4 outside plus 4 is there, that's why e power minus 4t. L inverse of 1 by s square, that is s square. Next e power minus 4t 1 by s square. This is by using these two. Plus here plus 4 is there, so e power minus 4t. Here minus 4 is there, that's why e power 4t. So here L inverse of this and L inverse of this is t only. Write down t. And also here observe e power minus 4t minus e power 4t is there. Multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Then the expression is called sin h 4t. That multiplication 2 remains as it is. So t square into f of t equal to 8t. Again here also take t outside, multiply with 2 and divide with 2. Then you are going to get cos h 4t minus 2 sin h 4t as it is. Then f of t equal to this term divided by t square. Therefore this is the inverse Laplace transform of given function. L inverse of tan inverse of 2 by s square. F of s is tan inverse of 2 by s square. Find out f dash of s and simplify. Then you are going to get f dash of s equal to like this. But 4s is equal to the difference of these two terms. Write down, replace 4s with this and take this term, cancel these two and write down minus of 1 by s square plus 2 minus 2s. Again minus, take these terms, cancel these two and write down s square plus 2 plus 2s. Multiply with minus sign, then you are going to get these terms. These terms, the denominators can be written like this. Again take L inverse on both sides. Here plus 1 is there, so e power minus t, L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. Here minus 1 is there, that's why e power t into L inverse of 1 by s square plus 1. So which is equal to e power minus t, this is sin t minus e power t into sin t. Take sin t common and also minus also common, then you are going to get e power t minus e power minus t. Multiply with 2, divide with 2. Then this term becomes sin h t. So L inverse of f of s equal to minus 1 by t into L inverse of f dash of s. We know this value, substitute, then final answer is 2 by t into sin sin ht. Now I am going to find out inverse Laplace transform by using convolution theorem. These are the steps. The given function is expressed as the product of two functions, say f of s and g of s. Find L inverse of f of s equal to f of t and L inverse of g of s equal to g of t. Apply convolution theorem, that is L inverse of f of s into g of s equal to f of t star g of t equal to integration 0 to t f of t minus u g of u du equal to integration 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u du. Evaluate the convolution integral to obtain the required inverse. So these are the questions. First question, L inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 whole cube. Here I am taking f of s as 1 by s, g of s as 1 by s plus 1 whole cube. Then L inverse of f of s equal to L inverse of 1 by s. So L inverse of 1 by s is 1 itself. Take this as f of t. L inverse of g of s equal to L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 whole cube. Here plus 1 is there, that's why e power minus t, L inverse of 1 by s cube. So n equal to 2, that means t square by 2 factorial. Take this as g of t. By convolution theorem, we have L inverse of 1 by s into s plus 1 whole cube equal to L inverse of f of s into g of s equal to integration 0 to t f of t minus u into g of u du. So which is equal to integration 0 to t f of t minus u value is 1 only, because f of t equal to 1. G of u value is 1 by 2 into e power minus u into u square. So substitute, take 1 by 2 outside, apply Bernoulli, substitute the limits, then simplify, then the final answer is 1 by 2 into minus t square e power minus t minus 2t e power minus t minus 2 e power minus t plus 2. This is the inverse Laplace transform of given function. So let next question, L inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square. Let f of s equal to 1 by s square plus a square, g of s equal to s by s square plus a square. L inverse of f of s equal to L inverse of this one. This one is sin inverse. L inverse of 1 by s square plus a square is sin at by t. Take this as f of t. L inverse of g of s equal to L inverse of s by s square plus a square. This is cos at. Take this as g of t. By convolution theorem, L inverse of s by s square plus a square whole square equal to L inverse of f of s into g of s. That means the multiplication of these two is this only. So integration 0 to t f of t minus u into g of u du. Substitute the values of f of t minus u and g of u. Simplify. Here we have multiplication. That's why by using known formulas, we are going to convert this multiplication as addition. Simplify, integrate, take limits, From 0 to t, substitute those limits, upper limit minus lower limit, and simplify. Then you are going to get, this is the final answer for the L inverse of given function. Third question, L inverse of 1 by s plus 1 into s square plus 1. Take f of s as 1 by s plus 1, g of s as 1 by s square plus 1. The multiplication of these two means given function only. Find out L inverse of f of s, take that as f of t. L inverse of g of s, take that as g of t. Now L inverse of f of s into g of s equal to integration 0 to t f of t minus u g of u du. So substitute f of t minus u value and g of u value here. So by using convolution theorem, L inverse of f of s into g of s equal to integration 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u du. Integration 0 to t as it is, f of t is e power minus t, that means f of u is e power minus u. Here g of t minus u is there, that means g of t is sin t, means g of t minus u is sin of t minus u into du. So by using this known formula, evaluate the integration value, substitute upper limit first, afterwards minus lower limit, simplify, then you are going to get, this is the L inverse of given function. Next one, L inverse of s square by s square plus a square into s square plus b square. Take f of s as s by s square plus a square, g of s as s by s square plus b square. The multiplication of these two is given function only. Find out L inverse of f of s, L inverse of g of s. Consider that as f of t and g of t. So by using convolution theorem, we have L inverse of s square by s square plus a square into s square plus b square equal to L inverse of f of s into g of s is equal to integration 0 to t f of u into g of t minus u du. F of t is cos at, means f of u means cos au. G of t is cos bt, means g of t minus u is cos b of t minus u. That means bt minus du. Observe, here also we have product. That's why by using the formulas, that means transformations, I am going to convert this multiplication as addition. Integrate, substitute upper limit minus lower limit, go on simplifying, then you are going to get this as final answer. That means L inverse of s square by s square plus a square into s square plus b square equal to 1 by a square minus b square into a into sin at minus b into sin bt. This 2 and this 2 get cancelled. So these are the exercise problems. Do these problems, find out inverse Laplace transforms. These are the references books. Thank you one and all.